I'm a bit confuddled, I am, in the head. Yeah, a bit confuddled. Why is it, when I make videos for this channel, I make more flipping mess than I do when I'm, well, making projects, no matter what they are. When I make videos, I make shitloads of mess. What is the solution, I wonder? I've got an idea that I have. Well, I'll come to that in a minute. But you can see over here my video regarding deck stops for the rotor. Got a video here regarding somebody sent me the wrong tool. Got a video over here regarding using the old marking gauges. Yeah, oh crikey, hand by anvil. Maybe I need to learn to put things away. Isn't it right, Sebastian? What do you reckon? Maybe. Well, I do have a solution to my messy workshop. That I do. Just a sec. Bear with us. I'll go over here. Yeah. Oh, Caroline! Oh, Caroline! I have a job for you, my darling. I do. Come here, my darling. Oh, you say I am married. Yeah, in case you're wondering. Yeah, the workshop's messy.
What, you need a workshop fairy?
I need a workshop fairy. Will you be my workshop fairy?
I always am.
Oh, you always are,
Give me
okay.
5 minutes to finish my
Oh,
drink.
she good. Is she good? Oh, God. Yeah. It works every time, it does. Anyway, I suppose we better get to it and clear up this flipping workshop. So for now, toodaloo.